So would you think with me for a second about trajectory? I found a bow and arrow in some of my son's old stuff. Think about shooting an arrow at the target. Think about an arrow's trajectory and the direction that you want to go with your teaching. What's your trajectory? Well, if you would be thinking about that, it's going to help you as we begin to make our moves toward the next big project in the course, which is the problem attack project. I'm basically asking you to begin with the end in mind for the rest of the work in the course. So picture it's Thanksgiving or even Christmas, let's say Christmas, and the course is over. You've gotten a good grade, you've done all your work, you're proud of your work, but you're also proud of the changes you've begun to make in your classroom. Or if you're not in the classroom, the preparations you've begun to make for changing your classroom, the way you teach once you get back in the classroom. Now, also, reflect back on the national board's discussion that we had and the readings that you've done and the trajectory that the national boards sets. And put those two thoughts together. Many of you, in learning about the national boards, you liked what you saw. You liked the trajectory, the direction that it was setting for your teaching, and some of you begin to think about that possible pay raise and the ability to say that you're national board certified. So, what's the trajectory that you want to take in this course with your teaching? And it doesn't have to be national boards. I just want you to loop that into your thinking as you begin to set your long-range trajectory. If you're working on a traditional master's degree, then this project that you're doing, the final project that you're doing in the course, has to align with national boards. You have to show that you're moving in a direction that's in line with national boards. If you're not in the traditional master's program, you've got some leeway there. But I still want you thinking long-term about the trajectory, the direction that you want to go. And that's what I would like you to tell me as your submission for this assignment. So, it's Christmas. You look back on the course and you've given yourself a Christmas present. What's the one, or at this point you could tell me two, biggest changes you hope to see in your teaching, the trajectory of change that you're hoping to set in your direction? Take a look at the text along with this video for other instructions about exactly what you're submit. But just begin thinking at the big picture, because that direction is going to help you focus the next project, the problem attack project, if you'd like to, and the final project on a change that you are really bought into. And that's really what I want you working on in the course.